crafter. I've been associated with Vadar community from past 2 years, and today I'm here to share my favorite skill with you, which is Decoupage. So I'll be teaching you this gorgeous wall plate which can be used as home decor. But personally I'm using it in my dresser to keep jewelry and rings and pretty stuff. So let's start. Before we go any further, I would like to tell you about this art. The art of decoupage is cutting out pictures, then gluing them onto an object and then coating them with layers of varnish so that the picture is sealed onto the object.
For this tutorial, you will need one transparent glass plate, a thin paper cutout of a picture of your choice, any Mod-podge available in the market, and chalk paints. If you don't have chalk paints, you can simply mix acrylic paints with chalk powder. You will also need paint brushes, an old toothbrush, and any varnish available in the market. Right now, I am teaching you a basic decoupage technique. This one is reverse decoupage, in which we will stick paper on the back side of the plate. Just make sure that the plate is clean before you put any Mod-podge. We take a generous amount of Mod-podge and spread it on the area where we have to put the paper. Now very gently we stick the paper to the plate and use a soft cloth to tap the paper so that there are no air bubbles. Now we remove excess Mod-podge on the edges to make it look clean. Here comes the interesting part. We take an old toothbrush and dip it in color, and using our thumb we spray the paint onto the back side of the plate. These tiny droplets will be visible on the front side of the plate. For this tutorial I have used yellow and blue color to spray the plate. Now put the plate aside and let the color dry for a while. Now that the paint has dried, we need to do one coat of paint on the back side of the plate. Make sure that you don't leave any spaces unpainted. Now we do the final layer of Mod-podge on the back of the plate where we had stuck the picture earlier. And now comes the final step where we do a generous coat of varnish to keep the color and the print intact, and then leave it to dry. Once the plate is dry, flip it over and see, this is what your creation looks like. You can get creative with this and choose any picture, color, decorations as per your taste. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in comment sections below. And do send us a picture if you try this at home. And don't forget to tag Quaintstar and World Art Community. Hope to see you again. Goodbye.